Hello from Washington, D.C., and I wish we could be together in New York today to celebrate, in person, the 39th anniversary of the Coast Guard Art Program and the many talented artists who capture the amazing work our Coast Guard women and men perform each day. Since the inception of this program, our member artists have volunteered their time and talent. They graciously donate their artwork to our organization and therefore to the public domain, which allows these pieces to be placed on display in museums and federal buildings, educating others about our service. The Coast Guard Artists of 2020 collection have contributed 31 works of art, making this collection truly superb. On behalf of the service, I officially accept these 31 works by 22 Coast Guard Art Program artists. To these talented artists, thank you for taking the time to observe our Coast Guard women and men train, maintain, and operate. Thank you for capturing the amazing work they do for our nation. I look forward to seeing this art, your art, adorn the walls of Congress and displayed in federal offices throughout the country and in our United States embassies around the world, as these pieces tell our Coast Guard story. Thanks to the Sal Magundi Club, which has been the program's co-sponsor since 1981. In particular, I'd like to thank Elizabeth Spencer, Karen Lowe, Tom Hederich, and Chris Nunnally for your leadership and support of this program and for your support of the men and women of the world's best Coast Guard, standing watch across the globe today. I also thank the New York Council Navy League for its support of the Coast Guard Art Program, particularly Captain Frank Russo, United States Navy retired, Greg Kashishian, and Jessica Hitchin. We always look forward to the reception you so kindly host. And I'd like to pause for a moment to recognize the loss of longtime Coast Guard Art Program member Robert Semler, an artist who contributed 16 terrific works to this program. Robert died this past January. This remarkable artist was a 4-time winner of the George Gray Award and a man who truly captured and preserved Coast Guard history through his remarkable paintings. We will remember Robert through his works. Named for the co-founder of the Coast Guard Art Program, the George Gray Award recognizes Coast Guard artists for outstanding artistic achievement. This year's George Gray Award for Artistic Excellence was selected by the 3-member jury: Sal Magundi Club President Elizabeth Spencer, art expert and editor-in-chief of the Fine Art Connoisseur magazine, Peter Trippi, and our own commanding officer of Coast Guard Sector New York, Captain Jason Tama. Thank you, jury. I imagine this was a tough choice, and I am thrilled that you were able to critique these works in person. I'm honored to announce this year's winner of the George Gray Award for Artistic Excellence. This is the program's highest honor, the Best in Show Award. And this year it goes to John Ward for his exceptional painting, Rescue Near Galveston. John, an artist and illustrator, recently retired after teaching high school art for over 30 years. His art has been used by more than 60 major publishers, and he has received numerous awards. John lives in Saranac Lake, New York, where he has a studio. This marks the 3rd George Gray Award the artist has received. Congratulations, John. The exhibition of Coast Guard 2020 art will be on view at the Sal Magundi Club in New York now through August 7th. Congratulations to all of our contributors, and thanks to all our supporters of the Coast Guard Art Program. Semper Paratus.